easiest, quickest green juice ever. Hi, this is Jovanka from JovankaCiares.com, and if you know anything about me, you know how much I love my green juices. I've been juicing for 15 years, well before this was the hot it thing to do on the internet, and I frankly consider it to be the fountain of youth. Juicing is what literally saved my life when I was suffering from ulcers and IBS and I couldn't retain anything, and I was anemic and had no nutrient absorption. I used juicing to make sure that I had all the nutrients that my body needed in an easy to digest form. So I can vouch for the process of juicing because I personally consider it to be one of the things that helped me restore health many, many years ago, and I still recommend it. But what if you are somebody like me who travels a lot for work, or perhaps you live in a dorm, or maybe your finances today just don't allow for you to spend $8 or $9 every day on a green juice, or maybe you live with roommates, and your roommates, you don't want to wake them up with the juicing at 6 in the morning, or maybe you got lazy and you forgot to buy your juices, your vegetables for the week, and now you have no vegetables to juice. What to do? Well, I've been using Organifi green juice for a very long time. I love Organifi because it's super easy to use, it's super tasty, and it's really just amazing as to take it on the road. It comes down to just under about $2 a day, so if budget is an issue, this should no longer be a problem. And I love the ingredients that it comes in. Of course, as a vegan, I love the fact that this is dairy-free and vegan, but it's also gluten-free and soy-free. And I love also that it's low in sugar. So if any of the stuff that I just mentioned is important to you, then you know that this product is going to help you. So I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy this is to make in a minute. But before that, I want to talk a little bit about the ingredients because it is some of my favorite ingredients ever. I mean, I'm talking about matcha green tea, super antioxidant, chlorella and spirulina. Spirulina is one of those amazing, deeply nourishing sea vegetables that is kind of hard to consume, right? Like it's a powder and you have to put it into places. This one already has it. And moringa. Moringa is arguably like my favorite plant on the planet, especially because we know it's densely nourishing. It grows super fast. It is beautiful to look at. And now we are literally planting them in areas of the world that are considered food deserts so that people can actually nourish themselves. So this is part of the reason why I love Organifi, is because it has some of the most amazing ingredients that are really hard to find, and things that will be really hard for you to find in its natural form to juice, or that you will probably have to add as an extra supplement, which will add on to the cost of your juices. So again, this comes down to like $2 a day. It's just really super yummy, and it is so easy to use. You are going to laugh when I show you. So come on over to the kitchen and I'll show you. Okay, so how do we do Organifi, you might wonder? Well, it's as simple as getting about 12 ounces of water. I normally put them in my bottle to go, but you can also do it in a regular glass of water. And you take just one scoop, just like so. One scoop, drop it in your water, and then mix it up. I love mixing it up with in my bottle. I'm shaking it really hard, or with something that is really long like a chopstick, just because it mixes a little bit faster and easier. But if you shake it for about 30 seconds, that is all you need, and you'll get all amazing amounts of nutrients to start your day right. You might want to do this also twice a day, maybe in the morning and in the evening, or maybe with your lunch. Whatever you decide, this product is amazing. I normally grab about 4 or 5 ounces of this, put it in a bag, and take it with me. Ideally, you want to refrigerate this after you open it, because it is, obviously, it's natural products that could be perishable. And it should last you, I want to say about 2 months, maybe a little longer. So like I said, it comes down to about $2 a day. Here is the product again, Organifi. And I'm going to put a discount code right here on the description so that you can get 15% off on your first order. This company happens to have 3 different flavors, so you'll get to have your choice of flavors. So this is my video for today. Thank you so much for listening. If you happen to have any questions about this or about green juicing in general, let me know by leaving a comment below. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the internet and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, happy, and beautiful life. Salud!